Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 290. And if we start with this box, we're just missing a 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this box or this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8, 2 here, so 5, 8. That means that our 2 for that box has to be here. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. And I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 7. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box, we're just missing a 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.